Hello, my name is Vargas, and this is my Lab 1 presentation. So for part 1, we have to do the truth table for the 2-to-1 multiplexer. And this is what I got. Now for part 2, we have to build an AND or a NOT gate using Circuit Lab. So this is my NOT gate. This is my AND gate with every different output. And these are my OR gates with every different output. Now for part 3, we have to do an schematic using logic gates of a 2-to-1 multiplier with AND, OR, and inverter symbols. So this is my result of the 2-to-1 multiplexer. Now for part 4, we have to do the same 2-to-1 multiplexer circuit, but on Tinkercad. So this is what I got, and now I will be testing every value of the truth table. Now for the first test, when yellow and blue are on and green off, the light should be on. And green and blue are off, the light should be on. For simulation, blue is on, yellow and green are off, light should be off. Now for test number 4, when they're all off, the light should be off. Yellow, green, and blue are on, light should be on. Yellow and green are on and blue is off, light should be off. Test number 7, when yellow is off and green and blue are on, light should be on. For the last test, when only green is on, light should be off. Now for part 5, we have to do a 4-to-2-1 multiplexer circuit. I did it on Circuit Lab and I got something like this. I didn't know how to add switches, so that's why I just did A off and A on, like it's gonna be rotating between that depending on if the pin is high or if the pin is low. Now for the first part of the in-lab portion, we have to do the same circuit we did on Tinkercad and prove the truth table. So I'm going to start with green off, yellow on, and blue on, and the light is on. Now I'm going to do green off, yellow on, blue off, the light is on. So I'm going to try green off, yellow off, blue on, the light should be off. Now I'm going to try all of them off, which the light is off. I'm doing all of them on, green, yellow, blue on, the light is on. I'm doing green on, yellow on, blue off, the light is off. Green on, yellow off, blue on, the light is on. For the last test, I'm doing green on, yellow off, blue off, which means the light is off. For the last part of our lab, we have to connect the Arduino to our circuit. We're going to be changing the frequency of the light with the selector. So right now, the selector is on high, and if we turn it into low, we can observe that the light starts blinking at a higher frequency.